Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the X icon changer. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and then just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app. And here just select one from the applications which just icon you wanna change. For example, the contacts one. Here we can click and rename this application, but I wouldn't wanna do that. Also we have here the library with different folders with icons. We can select one from these icons, for example, or just to use the our device of photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also we can use the camera just right now and just take a picture and set it on our device this application. For example, I'll go with this icon, just then click here to OK on the right upper corner. Now just click here to the X icon, tap here to add automatically, and now we can change the next icon here by the same way. Now we'll see the new contacts icon here, and this is the old one. So that's it, that's how to change icons and icon shape on our BLACKVIEW device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.